dive into this video for some awesome tips and must-have product recommendations to keep your locks in top-notch shape. वीडियो की शुरुआत करने से पहले जल्दी से हमारे BeBeautiful चैनल को सब्सक्राइब करें and ring the bell icon for further notifications. कई लोग कंडीशनर्स को स्किप करते हैं in winters and only use hair masks, but it is important to use conditioners too, especially in dry and cold weather, to prevent your hair from losing moisture and becoming damaged. Firstly, the Dove Intense Repair Hair Conditioner is specifically designed to offer intensive repair and nourishment for damaged hair. Given that cold weather can lead to breakage and split ends, using a repair-focused conditioner can effectively restore and strengthen your hair. Second is the Love Beauty and Planet Argan Oil and Lavender Conditioner. It is infused with argan oil, which is known for its hydrating properties. This conditioner aids in moisturizing and nourishing the hair, proving beneficial in cold weather when the air tends to be dry. Hair masks में कुछ ऐसे nourishing ingredients होते हैं that can repair and strengthen your hair. Plus, it acts as a protective barrier, creating a layer of moisture and nutrients that shields your hair from cold weather. So if you're someone जिसके hair काफी fragile हैं, then I suggest कि आप ये mask में invest करें. It's the Dove Healthy Ritual for Strengthening Hair Mask. इस hair mask में है oat milk जो बालों को moisturize ही नहीं रखता, बल्कि it is rich in protein and lipids, which adds smoothness, shine, strength to weak strands. साथ ही honey extracts intense nourishment provide करता है, helping to combat dryness and maintain moisture levels for someone जिसके hair winter में और ज़्यादा frizzy and dry हो जाते हैं. ये है the Tresemme Hyaluronic Moisture Boost Hair Mask. इसमें है moisture binding ingredient that is hyaluronic acid. This magical ingredient acts as a humectant and is like a magnet for moisture. Serums particularly beneficial है especially winter के दौरान. I'll provide 2 serum recommendations for you. Firstly, for the hair lengths, the Tresemme Keratin Repair Bondplex Oil Hair Serum is enriched with bonding complex technology. This serum penetrates deeply to repair hair bonds, addresses damage from the inside out. और जो दूसरा recommendation है is for the hair scalp, which is the Love Beauty and Planet Curry Leaves and Vegan Biotin Hair Growth Scalp Serum. इसमें है curry leaf extracts जो hair follicles को stimulate करता है and promote hair growth, and it also has vegan biotin for increased hair density. So these are some cold weather hair care tips that work wonders for me. जाने से पहले like, share and subscribe to our BeBeautiful channel and ring the bell icon for further notifications. Bye!